Nonstick cookware remains one of the most debated categories in the kitchen. Everyone wants easy cleanup and reliable food release, but not at the expense of durability or safety. This comparison analyzes 5 contemporary sets across a price spectrum, from budget-minded, hard anodized options to premium hybrid nonstick systems. My testing approach combines controlled heat up and consistency test. Product number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set 17-piece. The 17-piece set emphasizes hard anodized aluminum with a titanium nonstick coating, heat indicator thermospot, and broad inclusion of pots, pans, and specialty pieces, including a 1-egg fry pan and a steamer insert. It is oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and suitable for all non-induction cooktops with a limited lifetime warranty. The diverse lineup makes it a compelling value for families needing variety in a single purchase. Performance-wise, the thermospot heat indicator helps first-time users avoid under or overheating, which supports consistent searing and delicate sauce reductions. The hard anodized exterior promises durability, while the riveted silicone handles aim to balance grip with heat management. Product number 2. Calphalon Hard Anodized Nonstick 10-piece Cookware Set. A leaner 10-piece offering from Calphalon, built on hard anodized aluminum with dishwasher-safe components, and a 5-quart sauté pan designed for even heating and durable performance. It emphasizes versatility across electric, gas, and glass stoves, with oven compatibility up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The set includes a robust sauté pan with a tempered glass lid and features Stay Cool stainless handles. In practice, Calphalon's construction delivers predictable heating with strong heat retention, making it reliable for sautéing, searing, and pan sauces. The 450 degrees Fahrenheit oven tolerance and broad stove compatibility make it a practical all-arounder for many households, including those transitioning from basic cookware to more capable nonstick options. Product number 3. Hexclad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece Fry Pan Set. Hexclad's 6-piece pan set features a distinctive laser-edged hexagonal hybrid surface, combining stainless steel with Terabond ceramic coating for searing and easy cleanup. The tri-ply construction centers an aluminum core for quick, even heating, and the set includes 8 and 10 and 12-inch frying pans with tempered glass lids. It supports induction and is oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. User experience centers on exceptional sear potential and durability against metal utensils, paired with dishwasher-friendly design. The hybrid surface aims to deliver stick resistance while enabling robust browning, a common shortfall in some purely ceramic coatings. The pans are forgiving for deglazing and sauce reduction thanks to efficient heat spread. Product number 4. Calphalon Ceramic Nonstick 12-piece Cookware Set. This 12-piece Calphalon set emphasizes a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating designed for quick cleaning and easy food release. It includes a complete range of fry pans, saucepans, a Dutch oven, and 2 trivets, with oven safety up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and broad cooktop compatibility. The set touts dishwasher compatibility, hand washing recommended, and stays cool via stainless steel handles. Performance-wise, the PFAS-free ceramic surface focuses on healthier nonstick options with low oil usage. The 12-piece composition offers a well-rounded kitchen starter, particularly for those who want a ceramic alternative to traditional nonstick. While the coating delivers decent initial release, ceramic surfaces can show more wear over time compared to reinforced metal-based nonstick. Product number 5. Tefal Signature Nonstick Cookware Set 12-piece. The Tefal Signature 12-piece set emphasizes a pro-glide nonstick interior that promises easy food release and cleanup, with a broad mix of fry pans, saucepans, a Dutch oven, and a griddle. It features thermospot technology, stay cool handles, and compatibility with all cooktops except induction. It's designed to be dishwasher and oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, representing an accessible entry point into non-stick cookware. In practice, the ProGlide coating and heat indicator help undergraduates or casual cooks achieve reliable performance with minimal oil. The broad assortment supports family meals and weeknight cooking, while the oven limit of 350 degrees Fahrenheit is adequate for many sauces, simmering, and baking tasks, but limits certain roasting or high heat finishing.